the best products for fine hair. That's what we're going over today. So the first one is Tidal Wave. It's a best-selling sea salt spray. This is going to give you amazing texture, instant volume. You only need a few sprays of it, and it actually has the highest quality sea salt in it. It's not just some random, pink Himalayan sea salt. No, this is imported sea salt. It's going to help build volume in your hair. Now, if you pair this with 25 spray, 25 spray is like a multivitamin for your hair. 25 benefits in one bottle. It's got biotin, keratin, and a whole bunch of other incredible extracts that are great for your hair. Now, let's talk about your volumizing shampoo and conditioner. Yes, starting off with the process of shampooing and conditioning is really, really essential for fine hair. It starts off with washing, and this is not going to weigh your hair down. That's what's really important about it. Now, pure shampoo and conditioner, it's designed for people who are actually looking to grow thicker hair. If you have, fine hair or thinning hair, this is going to help block the DHT and help you grow thicker hair. The next product is talc. Now, no, it doesn't contain any actual talc. This is what I called it many, many years ago. This is back to the original OG talc powder, and it's in a spray form now. So it's going to actually give you better volume in your hair and actually bind the hair together. This is my sea salt matte paste, and the reason I'm going with this is because, once again, that sea salt that's infused in this is going to help build volume. It's a really, really pretty smooth scooping application. You only need a little bit of it. Don't overuse it, and you really want to work it into your hands to where you feel no product, and then you can start to style your hair. The next one is Structure Styler. This is my newest product, and I'm telling you, this is a miracle product. I've never seen a hair product do what this does. You need a little bit of it, work it into your hands, and I actually have demo footage, so make sure you watch this all the way through of me applying it. Work it into your hands, and then work it into your hair, and it's going to build structure in your hair. It's going to give you volume and texture, but makes it feel like there's nothing in your hair. That is what is remarkable about this product. Now, how do you finish your hair? A lot of people like to use hairspray. This is locked hairspray, and this, once again, just like talc, goes back to the original OG locked hairspray, where it's like a very matte, powdery type of finish. You want products that are going to actually not add a whole bunch of shine, not make your hair feel oily, no pomades, no hair gels, none of that stuff. That's not really good for fine hair. So what I'm doing now, as you can see, I'm spraying in talc, and this is on a shorter hairstyle. This is going to work really, really good on shorter hair, and you can see I'm literally just building in that volume, and I'm building in that pliability, and that's what makes this hair powder so good. It only has a few key ingredients in it, and that's it. You spray it on dry hair, and then you work it in. Now I'm going to use my sea salt paste. See how it's a nice, easy scoop, easy to work into your hands. Make sure you work it in all the way. You want to get that product worked in, and then you can apply it to dry hair. I use most styling products like this on fully dry hair. This way you can actually feel that hold and feel that grit and texture. Once again, because of the sea salt, it's actually going to help bind the hair together to make it appear thicker, and it's going to be a lot easier to style. There's nothing in it that's going to make your hair look greasy or oily, and you want to stay away from products like that. That's why the sea salt paste is really a really, really great option. Now here I'm using Structure Styler, and what's amazing about this is, one, it scoops out easily, and this is the most updated version of the product to where now the scoop is a lot easier. We've made some updates to it, so if you've bought this in the last month or so, you are getting the most updated version. But look at how this works into the hair. And especially on finer hair, on short hair, men's hair, women's hair, it doesn't matter. You're able to get that pliability, and look how I'm just shaping it. It's just molding into place with complete ease. There's no tugging, no pulling, there's no resistance. It's not oily, it's not greasy. It's just an incredible, one-of-a-kind product that I can't even believe this was even the work that was put into this. It's very, very difficult to make this product, and it's a home run. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you want to use or purchase any of these products, you can use code YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. That's code YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.